Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create a Firefic with the Godot engine. So first thing, make sure to download Godot. Second, let's open it and create one demo game. I name mine script and then click on edit. Make sure you add one 2D node, right? Also, we need one square with white color and it should have transparent background. So what we'll do is we'll add one particle effect. So we'll add particle 2D node under our node 2D. Now next thing, we will go for texture and we will drop our white image into it. Now make sure it is in center. You can set the amount for it. Current default being 8, you can change this to, let's say, 20. Now next thing, use process material, go for new particle material. Okay. Next thing would be to go for gravity. Make sure you have minus value for that. Right, so it should go for upper direction. Next thing, choose emission shape, go for sphere, or you can also go for box. Right, I have gone with sphere and chosen the radius of, let's see, 20. And you will have something like this. Right, then we have scale, go with smaller scale, 0.05 or 2. You will have that effect that looks something like this. If you go for 0.02, it should be even more smaller. Right, so let's go with 0.05 for visibility. Next thing, let's experiment with color. Right, so here choose color ramp, new gradient texture. Now let's choose the gradient. By default, as you can see, it's black and white. Let's change this to different colors. Let's start with yellow and end with a bit orange. Right, okay, you can even reverse if you want. Right, and you can experiment with the colors here, like getting it more transparent at the top. Right, also you can increase and decrease the amount of particles, let's say 300, and you will have something like this effect, or 500, even more flame like. Okay, so let's go with something like 50. You will have something decent for your retro style 2D effect. Okay, if you experiment with other values, you can make it much more cleaner graphics, and if you change this from square to some other shape, it should also reflect that. So you get the idea how to create Firefic with Godot engine.